Okay, so this is step number 2, and this is when you've got loads and loads of words to rhyme with Dubai, right? So come on in. That I sound is brilliant, and this is something I had a little look at today, right? So I got the Dubai, I got hi here, all right, I got Y, I got ski Dubai again, give it a try, right? So from that one vowel sound, I got a whole bunch of rhymes, and then again I got fed up with it. I needed a bit of variation, and I changed it to air because I was talking about Kite Beach, and then went to share here. So although you're starting with Dubai, you could in fact put any word that you wanted to that's connected to Dubai as your starting point. All I would recommend to you though is make sure it ends in like a strong vowel. So you're looking for that E, A, I, O sound, so that you've got that you can make the rhymes for. Okay. So then once you've got that written as this is like a little poem. Welcome to Dubai, where the buildings tower a mile high. Why do I love it? I'll tell you why. There's so many things to do, and so on. You've actually made your poem there. It's not a song at the moment, it's just a poem, but that's good, that's okay. The third video will show you how to make that into a song. So that's the third video coming up. Good luck.